Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel as always. So we're out here at Modnationals and I'm filming my intro. It's currently Saturday. I haven't been able to make any video up to this point because, as you guys can see, the weather has been complete garbage. It rained on us all Thursday night and all day Friday. The weather has cleared up, and you guys please excuse me, I'm sniffling a little bit. I'm kind of a little under the weather. My allergies are giving me some problems. But anyways, the rain has since stopped, but it's really cold out here. You can see the ground is still wet. There's some spots that are starting to dry up a little bit. Still wet around the car, but I've dried the car off a good bit. But it's still wet out here. They're currently dragging the track, trying to get that thing dried up. And hopefully we're going to start racing after 12. We're going to hopefully get 3 rounds of qualifying today. As you guys know, I'm running the Battle of the Underdogs 2-valve versus 3-valve class out here. It's the one that I raced in last year and won. So we're going to try and repeat that win again this year. And then hopefully the goal is to run a 7-second pass either today or tomorrow. Hopefully there's some heat in the track and it's sticky enough so we can cut a good 60-foot time and hopefully get that time. If not, we'll still be happy. I know the car is going to run some low 8s today. It's absolutely going to run some low 8s, and I'll definitely be happy with that. It's going to feel good to get the car, get in the car and run it down the quarter mile. Pretty excited about that. So I think with our downtime right now, we're probably going to run around and we're going to look at some of the cars. I'm going to go try and show you guys some of the other cars in the 2-valve, 3-valve class. I really want to show you guys my buddy David's car. It's a green 2-valve. It's extremely clean. So yeah, we're gonna hop on the golf cart, ride around a little bit before the racing kicks off. Then hopefully we'll get to make our I think it's gonna be like 3 rounds of qualifying here in a little bit. So we're gonna go hang out and walk around the pits a little bit. Well guys, I don't think you've seen this car on the channel before. This is Taylor's 2-valve. It's a stick shift car. So I don't know if you want to talk about it or not a little bit. I don't know how secretive you are on details and stuff.
No, I don't care.
Yeah.
It's 2-valve.
Yeah, it's a junk 2-valve.
It is.
That's what I say about mine too.
It makes a little over 1,000. Tick Performance C56 Magnum. TKM Performance built the engine, and Kurgan tune.
Stock computer?
Yes sir, for now.
It's badass. Got the weight reduction going on. Are those single bead locks?
Yep, they are.
Badass. TKM. Two-valve action. Oh. So, those Moroso valve covers look really good.
I appreciate it. I wanted them for a long time, and they came up on sale somewhere, and I was like, I gotta do it. So.
Well, on 3 performance.
That's the only thing on 3 on the car. It's the turbo.
Yeah.
It's that BMF 7675, and it spools fast, so.
It's pretty much like the copy of the Precision 7675.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, it's all in it. They can be all in at 2 seconds.
It's insane.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I bet it spools really fast. I know that 76 I had was really fast, the Precision one. Alright guys, here's Jordan Martin. You guys have heard me talk about him along the channel, Modular Head Shop. Got some heads up here on display. He's got a CNC machine in-house. CNC porting on these heads here.
Something like this, get for about $2,500 with good stuff. Hundreds on the intake, mid 200s on the exhaust. I haven't flown this exact setup, but this is based on, it's just barely tweaked on what I was previously.
Hey guys, y'all looking for anything modular related? Like I always say, y'all look up Modular Head Shop. Jordan's great, does great work. Alright guys, so I don't think David's over here, but super clean 2-valve. Trick flow headed, standard bore kind of deal, same as mine. He's got the big Logan intake on here. And then he obviously has a much cleaner setup than I do. There's Jason. I got to get you in the video at least once.
All right.
Yeah. Tell me about this car.
Well, it's got a really little turbo on it.
It does. That thing is super small.
Probably go pretty fast though.
Yeah, it's crazy looking at a T4 after you're used to looking at the big T6 turbo all the time.
There was a. That's a J2. It's a J2 Ultra. It's a J2.
Alright guys, so I'm over here on the scale, and as you can see the car is 3180 with me in it, and I'll get out of it and we'll see how much it weighs. So it looks like it is 2975 without me in it, so she's not a lightweight. Alright guys, that felt like a pretty good pass. She was trucking pretty good on the top end, so I'm not sure what we did, but it felt good. So, we'll see. Damn!
That was a junk 60 foot too.
Yeah, 129. 169. Woo, she was scooting. Hell
Like
yeah.
33 pounds?
No, that was 28 to 30 pounds.
Oh, the scramble didn't come
I
on?
grabbed the scramble, but I don't have enough CO2 on the gate.
Oh no.
But that's good though.
That's good data though. That bitch left good.
527 with a 129 60 foot.
If that wasn't a 7-second pass, that was an 8.0. This car was moving. Holy crap. It pulled hard on the big end. It pulled hard out of the hole. That was a low one, 260 foot or better. She was scooting, boys. She was scooting. Woo! We'll get this parachute pulled in and we're gonna see what we got. I'll see y'all in a bit. Thank you. 807 at 169. We just need a little more boost on the top end, guys, and it's gonna run a 7. Woo! I didn't grab the scramble like we planned on doing, so the car still only made 29 pounds of boost that time. We went 122 60 foot, 518 at 135. So we just gotta turn the boost up some, but man, she was rolling. Woo, she was moving. All right, we're gonna go back, check everything over, and turn the boost up for round 1 probably. See you guys in a little bit.
Alright guys, so I got some bad news. I didn't have the GoPro on, but we hurt the car. Y'all can be in my video, come on. Hey, we're all in good spirits even though the car is broken, so I'm going to show you guys what happened. So we turned the boost up to 33 pounds on that pass, and I'm pretty sure the car lifted ahead. It got a head gasket. It popped this coolant hose off at about 169 miles an hour and spit coolant all under the engine bay. I think I got a little under the tires and it went up on the windshield, and I pulled the parachute right at the same time that it puked coolant everywhere, and the rear of the car kind of shook back and forth a little bit and the parachute straightened me up. So I'm pretty happy on the timing of pulling that parachute. I think it saved me. But that's gonna end our time here at Modnationals. Not really mad. You start pushing stuff like this, and this is just part of the game. So we're gonna get this thing loaded up in the trailer. We gotta winch it in here, and then we're gonna go and watch Bryan Hansen's 3-valve over there. He's gonna race Jeremy Russo's twin turbo 2-valve for the final, and we're gonna see who's gonna take home the take home the belt this year for the 2-valve versus 3-valve class. So, but overall, we had a really good time. So we're gonna get car put up. We're gonna go up here and watch this race, and then we're gonna be out. And that's gonna be the Modnationals weekend for us. So that's about it. There you go. That front end. Yeah. That front end tightened up. Worked good. Hey, that was good. Hey guys, so we're back from Modnats, and I want to do a quick closeout video. So first and foremost, I want to say congratulations to Bryan Hansen on winning the 2-valve versus 3-valve class. Unfortunately, we broke and we weren't able to give him a run in the semifinals of the race. I feel like we had the car to beat, and if we wouldn't have lifted the head on that buy run, I feel like we could have won the class. But that's how racing goes, as most of you that watch my channel know. The fastest car doesn't always win. So with that being said, the car's here in the garage. I want you guys to stay tuned. We're going to tear it down, find out what happened, fix it, and build it back up stronger and better. The car did an 807 on 28 pounds of boost. So at 30 plus pounds of boost, this thing is going to fly if I can keep it from lifting the heads. The potential is there. It went a 515 at 136 in the 8th mile with some detonation or whatever was going on that caused the head to lift on about 31 pounds. So this car is it's very fast, and there's still it has the potential to go faster. So I'm gonna figure out what's going on with it, and like I said, we're gonna get it fixed. But that's pretty much it for the for Modnats 2019. The rain kind of cut us short. We only got to race one day, but the one day of racing that we got, we worked with it. We had a good time, made some good passes. Some people won, some people lost. That's racing. So that's going to end this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like always, comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.